In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create splash screen animation in Figma. We'll build a simple, clean reveal that starts with a small circle and expands to fill the screen, with the option to show your logo or app name at the end. Start by opening your project in Figma and the file where you want this animation to live. Make sure you're on the design canvas you'll use for prototyping. Now create a new frame that matches your target device or screen size. You can pick a preset like a phone frame or set a custom size. Set a background color that fits your brand. A bold color works great for splash screens because it creates a strong first impression. Inside that frame, draw a small circle using the ellipse tool. Hold Shift to keep it perfectly round. Place it right at the center of the frame using the alignment tools so the animation feels balanced. Give the circle a color that contrasts nicely with the frame background. This contrast is what will sell the expanding reveal. Duplicate the entire frame so you have a second state to animate to. On this second frame, scale the circle up until it completely covers the frame. Use the scale tool to keep it proportional and scale from the center so it grows evenly. When the circle fills the screen, you've defined the end of the reveal. If you don't need a logo or text, you can prototype these two frames directly. If you do want branding, duplicate the second frame to create a third one. On that third frame, add your app name, tagline, or icon. Keep it centered and sized for readability. This will be the moment your brand appears once the background is fully revealed. Switch to the Prototype tab, connect the first frame to the second. Set the interaction to after delay so it plays automatically. Choose Smart Animate, and use an easing like ease out with a duration around 400 to 600 milliseconds for a smooth expansion. Then connect the second frame to the third with another after delay, also using Smart Animate. Keep the timing consistent or slightly shorter here to maintain momentum. Click Present to preview. You should see the small circle expand to fill the screen, followed by your logo or text appearing on the final frame. Tweak colors, easing, and timing until the motion feels polished and intentional. And that's your splash screen animation. Clean, fast, and ready for handoff or testing. Congratulations.